Gusto mo bang mabusog at magkaroon ng literal na sky-high na experience? Pwede na ba sa iyo ang 150 feet na taas? Fasten your seatbelt dahil sa pamamagitan ng crane, iaangat ang hapagkainan. Walang sahig at footrest lang ang tanging apakan ng 22 dinner guests. Peruvian at Cuban cuisine ang kabilang sa 4 na courses ni chef na ihahain ng mga staff na naka-safety harness.
You have to plan things properly, and I think it's very nerve-wracking to make sure, because if you come off the ground and you forgot something, that's it. There's no going back down, right? Someone's not going to eat.
Level up to the max ang dinner guests sa bawat subo ng pagkain at pag-inom. Kung nalulula, pampakalma ang soothing music. Kapag nandito ka sa taas, talaga namang damandama mo yung napakalakas na hangin. Ang sabi nga nila, enjoy mo lang itong masarap na pagkain pero huwag kang titingin masyado dun sa baba dahil talagang malulula ka.
It was one of a kind. You know, this is the first time that we've had it here in the Philippines.
Kakaiba ito. Nobody does this. I've never even heard of this kind of concept before, but you know, it's really a lifetime experience.
Para sa Sky High Experience, humanda nang maglabas ng nakakalulang 9,990 pesos sa kanilang economy class hanggang halos 25,000 pesos para sa first class. Ang Dinner in the Sky sa tabi ng Soler Resort and Casino tatagal lang hanggang May 21 bago ang tag-ulan.
Every single time a different chef is featured. So you get excited about the food. You get excited because it's going to be a different view.
Ian Cruz, GMA News.